Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoom and other platforms with System.io calendar. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the calendar section. If I go to my calendar, I'll be able to see events, booking and availability. If I create a new event and select online meeting, and if I try to click on Zoom, as you can see, it is asking me, please integrate Zoom in your profile settings to enable it as an event location. So what I will do, I will click on my profile icon and go to the settings. Now from here, what you have to do is click on Zoom integration on this left bar. Click on it like it's empty. What I have to do is click on Connect Zoom. A pop-up window will appear. I have to sign in with my Zoom account. I will allow this application to use my shared access permission, and I will simply click on Allow. As you can see, the status of my Zoom integration is now active. Now, I will go back to my calendar. If I try to create a new event once again, I will click on Online Meeting. I will refresh my page once again. As you can see, Online Meeting is now available. Once you have integrated your Zoom account with System.io, and if you want to switch back to external link, what you have to do is simply click on External Link, and you have to add a meeting link with the external link as well. So if you have multiple meetings on different platforms, you can choose any options of your choice. So that's how you can integrate Zoom and other platforms with System.io calendar. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.